Hello guys, for this time I would like to talk about Google Adsense. So today I get Google Adsense come to my house already by the mail. Okay, so Google Adsense is a program run by Google through which a website publisher in the Google networks of content site serve text, image, video, or interactive media advertisement that are target to the site content and audience. These advertisements are administered, sorted, and maintained by Google. They can generate revenue on either a per click or per impression basis. Google beta tested a cost per action service, but discontinued in October 2008 in favor of a double click offering also owned by Google. In 2014, Google earned US 3.4 million or 13.6 billion annually, or 22% of total revenue. So through Google AdSense, AdSense is a participation in the Ad Choices program. So AdSense ads typically include the triangle shapes Ad Choices icon. This program also operates on HTTP cookies. In 2021, over 38.3 million websites use AdSense. Google uses this technology to serve advertisement based on a website content, the user geographical location, and other factors. Those wanting to advertise with Google's target advertisement system may enroll through Google Ads. AdSense has become one of the most popular programs specializing in creating and placing banner and responsive ads on websites and blogs. Responsive ads adjust themselves based upon user device size. These advertisements are less interactive and the contents of the advertisement is often relevant to the website. Many websites use AdSense to make revenue from their web content. Website, online videos, online audio contents, etc. And it is the most popular advertising network. AdSense has a profit particularly useful for generating advertising revenue for small websites that do not have sufficient resources or other major sources of revenue. To display contextually relevant advertisement on a website, webmasters place a brief JavaScript code on the website page. Websites that are content rich have been very successful with this advertising program. As noted in a number of publisher case studies on the AdSense website, Google has removed the policy of limiting AdSense ads to 3 ads per page. Now, AdSense publisher can place several AdSense ads on the page given there is sufficient content on a web page. According to Google guidelines on ensuring proper ad placements, Advertising and promotional material should not exceed page content. Some webmasters put significant effort into maximizing their AdSense income. They do this mainly by following best practice. Number one, they produce good quality content that attract and engage user and provides a good user experience. Number two, they follow webmaster guidelines. Number three, they avoid flooding their website with advertisement. Number four, they do not try methods that encourage users to click ads. Google prohibits webmasters from using phrases like click on my AdSense ads to increase click rates. The phrases accepted are sponsored links and advertisements. Number five, they do not link or redirect to website with a poor reputation. The source of all AdSense income is the ad program, which in turn has a complex pricing model based on a fixed second price auction. AdSense requires an advertiser to submit a sealed bid, a bid not observable by competitors. Additionally, for any given click received, advertisers only pay one bid increment above the second highest bid. Google currently shares 68% of revenue generated by AdSense with content network partners, and 51% of revenue generated by AdSense with AdSense for search partners. On June 18, 2015, Google announced rebranding of AdSense with a new logo. The history: Google launched its AdSense program, originally named Content Targeting Advertising, in March 2003. The AdSense name was originally used by Applied Semantics, a competitive offering to AdSense. The name was adopted by Google after Google acquired Applied Semantics in April 2003. Some advertisers complained that AdSense yielded worse results than Google Ads, since it served ads that related contextually to the content on a web page, and that content was less likely to be related to a user commercial desire than search results. For example, someone browsing a blog dedicated to flower was likely to be interested in ordering flowers than someone searching for items related to flowers. As a result, in 2004, Google allowed its advertisers to opt out of the AdSense network. And type of content: the content-based advertisements can be targeted at users with certain interests or contexts. The targeting can be CPC, cost per click, or CPM, cost per thousand impressions based. The only significant difference in CPC and CPM is that with CPC targeting, earnings are based on click, while CPM earnings recently are actually based not just per view or impressions, but on a large scale. per 1,000 impressions, therefore driving it from the market, which makes CPC ads more common. There are various ad sizes available for content ads. The ads can be simple text, image, animated image, flash video, or rich media ads. At most ad size, users can change whether to show both text and multimedia ads or just one of them. As a November 2012 appears beneath AdSense text ads for easier identification. Google made a policy update regarding the number of ads per page. The 3 ads per page limit has been removed. For the video, AdSense for video allows publishers with video content, for example, video hosting websites, to generate revenue using ads placement from Google Adsense advertising network. The publisher is able to decide what type of ads are shown with their video inventory. Format available include linear video ads, pre-roll or post-roll, overlay ads that display AdSense text and display ads over the video content. And the true view format, publisher can also display companion ads. Display ads that run alongside video content outside the player. AdSense for video is for publisher running video content with a player and not for YouTube publisher. Link unit are closely targeted to the interests of your users because users directly interact with the ad unit. They may be more interested in the ads they eventually see. AdSense publishers are paid for click on the ads that are linked from link unit topics, not for clicks on the initial topic themselves. The ads on the link are pay per click. Google Ads similar to those shown in regular AdSense ad unit. For mobile content, AdSense for mobile content allowed publishers to generate earnings from their mobile websites using target Google advertisement. Just like AdSense for content, Google match advertisement to the content for a website. In this case, a mobile website, instead of traditional JavaScript code technology such as Java and Objective-C are used. On February 2012, AdSense for mobile content was rolled into the core AdSense for content offering to better reflect the blessing separation between desktop and mobile content. Okay, this is how it works. The webmaster who wishes to participate in AdSense insert the AdSense JavaScript code into the web page. Number 2, each time this page is visited by an end user, for example, a person surfing the internet, the JavaScript code uses in link JSON to display content text from Google server. Number 3, for content advertisement, Google server use a web page of the page created by its media bot crawler to determine a set of high value keywords. If a keyword have been cached already, advertisements are saved for those keywords based on the Edge bidding system. For website target advertisement, the advertiser chooses the page on which to display advertisement and pay based on cost per mile or CPM, or the price advertiser chooses to pay for every 1,000 advertisement display. For referrals, Google adds money to the advertiser account when visitors either download the refer software or subscribe to the refer service. The referral program was retired in August 2008, so short advertisements are added to the list of results after the visitor or user perform a search. Because the JavaScript is sent to the web browser when the page is requested, it is possible for other website owners to pay the JavaScript code into their own web page. To protect against this type of fraud, AdSense publisher can specify the page on which advertisement should be shown. AdSense then ignore clicks from page other than those specific. Okay guys, I think I'm talking about Google Adsense. After you have over 1,000, minimum 1,000 subscriber, and how much you get view and everything, so you will get Google Adsense by mail to your house. Okay, all right. Okay, I hope you enjoying my video. Don't forget click like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.